It's in. Okay. So in the source, I want to open up the SLN. I got CUDA in. I have CUDA in. I've got new drivers in. Ugh. Following project used an earlier version of Visual C platform toolset. You can upgrade your projects to the target latest Microsoft tools. You can also select the target window and SDK version from those installed on your machine. Yeah, fuck it. The build tools cannot be found using Visual Studio 2017. Okay, let's just try this then. Okay. There it is. No external dependencies? Okay, so what do we want to do here? I want to see what he's got. All right. This is it. Oh. So flex system, right? All right. So here you have like rigids, inflatables. Jeez. Oh. Okay, so none of that exists anywhere. Let's see, let me look at the flex 1.10, right? Source, DX, content, MB flex types. Let's go to their demo. Compiler. Right. No, that's... Isn't that? D3D, I don't want that. I want CUDA. There we go. Build it. Oh. 2 failed. Build failed. What the fuck? Why did the build fail? Cannot open up like coodart.lib. Oh, do I need a... hang on. CUDA 8 toolkit. What's CUDA RT? Cannot open CUDA RT.lib. The fuck is that? Shouldn't it be here? Oh yeah, where the fuck is it? The fuck? External dependencies. There you go. Should be there though. What? Yeah. Can't find the CUDA RT.lib. Didn't that get installed with fucking CUDA? Or do I legit have to fucking run CUDA 8? And not 10? Because that would suck. Eight 8.1? Is this 8? Oh, Jesus Christ. 8 GA1, GA2. There's 9. Fuck, man. Maybe I just not install 10. It should work. You might need to compile the DLLs. Yeah. Okay, yeah, well, fuck it. I mean, I have 10 in here, so... Oh. Well, it has it in here, right? Yeah, you have to compile the DLLs. Well, let's just fucking do that anyway. Yeah, because they do that. Yeah, where do you compile those DLLs? So, you have to like set a project path for this. Like, save as. You know what I mean? Can you do like a, oh yeah, like F6 or whatever? No. No, it's not F6. It's F6, isn't it? It's what I don't understand. In the build tab, what? Is there anything like build solution? Well, yeah, build solution. But it, I know, no, it's not gonna, because it can't open the CUDA-RT.lib, which has to be built. It has to compile that DLL from it, right? So I need CUDA-RT.dll. Yeah, just compile it and we'll check. Yeah, it's right here. Build. Rebuild solution. Boom. Yeah, there you go. And there's my 2 errors, right? 2 failed, right? So this cudart.lib can't open the file. Where the fuck is it? Really? So do you think maybe CUDA-RT was dropped from 9 into 10? Is that from the CUDA package? Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, this isn't from CUDA-RT.lib, right? Should be part of the CUDA toolkit, right? You would think. Where does it put this shit? Right? So here it is here, right? CUDA-RT.lib, right? So it's in the toolkit. I think you need to like I mean, fuck. Oh, yeah, that's amazing. No thanks. Need to add a reference to that location. Yeah. Output directory. Let me just do this. Let me go to okay. Intermediate directory, but isn't there like a, don't you have to install like that library into VS? You know? End site user properties. So this is the NVIDIA Insight thing, right? Which is fine. So it's in there. Project dependencies. Back. Let me just fucking do this really quick. Output directory does not end with a trailing slash minutes. It was slash a proper value of the output directory. Okay. So you can't just pick it. Fuck's sakes. Okay. That works. It's under linker in the properties window. Linker. Additional libraries. Link library dependencies. Well, this should work. I mean, should I edit this? And put it like a... Should I take that out and under linker look for input? Additional dependencies. It's there. Like the first one that shows up, funnily enough. Is it relative to the directory that you're in? No, it's not. So you see it's like dot 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 dot. It's going fucking. I mean, like. No. You don't need to edit under input, only under general. Like, I don't know why it's. Yeah, the additional library. Like this shit. It's there. Oh, you're in Discord? Here, I can pop in Discord if you want. I can pull you into like a little roomy room. Hang on a second. CUDA path macro may be wrong. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, right? So why don't I just fucking shove that directory in there then? Lib x64, right? Yeah, just hard set it. Yeah, fuck it. Well, I can add it. How do you fucking, there we go. I mean, it's wherever. It's like, it's in a stupid spot anyway. NVIDIA, CUDA, and, where would it be? Lib x64, right? And that's gonna do 2, right? Well, that's better. Build failed. CMD exited with code 3. What's that? Okay, we got rid of one of them. Oh. I think it did it. Let's run it. The code, execution cannot proceed because CUDA x64.dll was not found. SDL. Okay, so it didn't find the DLLs. Okay, so do you just build all? Build full program database file for solution? Oh, they probably exist already? Oh, just the folder structure on the build was fucked up, probably. Yeah, okay, so you can just grab it from the toolkit here. Okay, so if I go to, wait, what am I looking for? Where's this stupid toolkit? What do we need? NB flex. Hey, Kelly. Oh, not from the toolkit. We need it from Flex. So yeah, we need whatever. I mean, SDL2. We'll just fucking pull all these in. I'm not D3D CUDA. God damn it. I think that's what I need. NVFlex X debug CUDA X64. Did I miss that? Yes, I did. It's one of these. Fact. Debug CUDA X. Oh, fuck, I keep clicking it. NVFlex external debug CUDA X64. Hi, babe. What Photoshop? Oh, babe, I'm getting sick as fuck. I'm not trying to bail on New Year's. I'm just getting fucking sick. Oh. Yeah. All right. What? Okay. No. Yeah, actually. Yeah, sure. I'm having a hard time fucking reading right now. NVFlex X debug CUDA 64. It's not even in here. I'm like, it's literally not there. Build the release version. You have that DLL. Yeah, I know. What I don't understand though is why it's not building these DLLs for me. If it's not in the hang on. I wonder what that error is. What is this error, by the way? There's a bunch of shit. Oh, this one? Well, I mean, that's just to get the demo built. You know what I mean? Which we already fucking have, and it's all good and great. The big thing is getting this. Yeah. This is the one that Vincent wrote, right? Like, that's all he had with it. These functions are a basic C function, but the DLL loader can find much easier than finding a C++ class. The DLL export prefix is needed. So the compile exports these functions from the DLL you are creating. Always return whatever API version in this function. Return new instance to your class every time this is called. It will be once called for try using the delete the instance here. It will be called when touch is shutting down. When the chop using that instance is deleted, or if the chop loads a different DLL. Yeah, this lists this. Just out of curiosity, this is the whole Flex system, right? So he's got a lot of shit. See, like all these params too. Like gravity, wind. See, he took wind out. He doesn't reference that. Drag, lift, num iterations, fluid, rest distance, solid rest distance. Like these are all the other fucking things. Yeah. I know he doesn't have the call for it. Exactly. So in the flex job, what's the .h? What is this for? I don't even know. All right, so here, just for fucking humor's sake, at the bottom it has all the variables defined. Where? What are you talking about? Yeah, what's all this shit? This is what he normally does, right? But why is he enumerating all, what's Q? I don't know what he's doing with that. Meanwhile, like, let me recompile this. Well, let me just build this, right? See what happens. Okay, one failed. Up to date. Well, where did that get built? That's a good question. Where did that just get built? Doesn't look like it built at all. CUDA 8. Okay, you're right. CUDA 8, right? So we have to do this with 10, right? Confirm the path of the import declaration is correct. So he's got where? Import what? Include flexdrop.h, TLX. Where are you pulling CUDA from? Yeah. So he did this in okay, it's not that. Shit. Why does it think? God. mvflex.h. Wait. Import declaration. Where's the import declaration? Yeah, where do you set that for your import? CUDA 8.0 props was not found, confirming that the path in the import declaration. This should still be the same, right? Like, I should still have... Yeah. Same with this. CUDA path v8. Ah, there's the problem. Okay, so just okay, Carl, police expert programmer. I just need to recompile this for CUDA 10 and not 8. That's what I'm trying to do. Oh, shit, eh? Okay. That's a lot of errors. Can you clear this? Okay, so all these includes. Yeah, something ain't right. Source, debug, whatever. Fucking there. Right? Okay. Can't open source file these, right? Because flex core include. Can you just take can we delete these includes and then put the 10 ones in? Is it cool with that? Oh shit, now I don't remember what they were called. Let me reopen that solution real quick. Oh, that's the... Right? Oh, because it's already open. No. Okay, that's all flags. What's this? If these includes are required and are from CUDA 8, you should be able to import CUDA 10. That's what I'm wondering. See, where's this path? Full path. There we go. Include flex.h and all that shit, right? Flex.master master includes, right? So if I go here, where are the includes? Master lex include flex.h. All right. Does my keyboard not work? So we need nv flex.a and flex device and flex x. Right? So let's go grab those. From 10. Are they also in here? Like, did they just... Oh, sorry. Where's the flex toolkit? My bad. It should be... Include. There you go. Okay. So actually, can you drag and drop them in there? Let's find out. Okay, cool. NV Flex version 110, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let me just build this. Now it's probably going to give me an error, right? One failed. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Right. Okay, CUDA 8 props was not included. Okay, so... Build customizations, right? Yeah, it still tries to build it. Yeah, we'll also search the path and then read the file. That's all include does. Yes. So where can you search your entire solution for The imported project. Where you got that file? Oh, search for import. I got it from GitHub. No. Oh, the path is defined in FlexChop. Dot VCX proj. What? Oh, right. Just modifying the file. VCX proj. Where is that? Oh, yeah, Happy New Year's, Dan. Yeah. But I don't, how come I don't see it in the includes or anything, you know? Found a suitable location storage. It's just open the same fucking thing. That's what this is. It's right here, dude. I found it. No, I don't want to open it in the fucking notepad. Yeah, it's this, basically, right? So we have to add CUDA 10. Oh, well, that's the thing. It's like it's... All right, sweet. Why does it? It still thinks it's there though. Still. Yeah, well, it's not gonna debug it. You could put CUDA 10 inside and just rename it to CUDA 8. But it would look inside the project file. Yeah. That's what I'm doing here. It's like let me see something. Import group extension settings. There it is. Fucking piece of shit. Yeah, it sucks, but I found it. I'll just what is this? CUDA 8? And this is flex include, right? What's the top source? I guess we're gonna find it in a minute. Actually, I don't even know. We'll just leave it. Okay, we only have one error. There's an import declaration. Right, yeah, so there's like an import in the code somewhere. No? Or is it? Yeah. Oh, wait, what? Okay, so let me fucking save this shit. Still there. Well, hang on. Save all. I don't think I did that. Yeah, weird. So, yeah. Where would that even be? Let me see if that's the only one. Okay. It's there. and then it's here. See, it's like item definition group, condition. You have to. I have to find it in this. Import project VC to our build customizations. CUDA 8 targets. Yeah, go for it. I forked the FlexChop repo and fixed the project file to work with CUDA 10. Yeah, go for it. Link it in Discord, man. I just don't actually. I don't see. It's so. All these settings in this fucking piece of shit. Like, I mean, you're never gonna find it in here. Where did you put it? Follow the same compile. I don't see it in Discord. There's another folder in the Solution Explorer. What do you mean? It also has NV Flex in it. Schlag. Alright. Okay. I'll just fucking. Is that right? Did you do that there? Change project to support 10 toolkit? Okay. I wonder if this runs better. I mean, yeah. Right, this is gonna give me an error. Right. I have to take the stupid, What do I move? The flex shit? Or do I just add them in the includes? Move your flex folder into the root. Yeah. Yeah, I'll just copy it. Right? Into the root. It is the root. Or do you need it back one? Oh. Right. Okay. There it fucking goes. Cannot open input file cuda.lib. That's a new one. Do you have CUDA 10 in? Flag? Oh, you do. Oh, maybe your directory's different. In the linker here, right? Like CUDA path? Is that right? Or is it depreciated? I could just, like I said, we just want the library, right? So this is good, because, yeah, fuck it. I'll just do what I was doing here. Sure, fuck it. CUDA, lib, right. Do I x64? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it fucking built. Okay, so where did it build it? Where was your build? Just in debug or whatever? Yeah, debug. Okay. So we're compiling and flex is in. Right. There you go. Okay, so just as a test, build a release version. Oh, is it actually faster when you do that? What is it? Where do you do that? Oh, wait. Where is it? General. Choose at the top of EC. Oh, yeah, right. Oh, okay. Release. There you go. Fucking, that's stupid. Yeah, you could change it inside there. What's inside build events? I don't know. You have to set the path again. Where do you do that for the release version? Find in files or whatever? No. Where do you set the path? Same as you did for the debug version. Well, I just changed that. Oh, I see. Oh, fuck, really? That's annoying. So you legit have to fucking... You don't have to change your linker, right? Fuck, you do, don't you? That sucks. You have to set it up for each. Yeah. Alright, whatever. Wait, no, stop it. C drive. Do you have to set your output too? Debug, and then I'll just put bin. Yeah, it is a fucking pain. Holy shit. Well, I mean, I guess you only have to do it once, right? CUDA. x64. Okay. And then where's your output directory configuration? Well, I guess it's just gonna do it by itself, right? Build solution. Fuck you. Okay, so now I should have a bin folder, right? Release or whatever. Okay, so now I need those dependencies, right? Ooh. Oh, they're in the Flex folder? Where are they? Oh wait, maybe I don't need them. Oh wait, yeah, I do. CUDA 64 8.0. That's a problem. Is that gonna work? Yeah, I'm gonna have to rebuild those. No, it's not gonna work. I guarantee you it won't work. It didn't build those. It only did it only did the DLL. That's it. You'll also need, like, if I take this, right? Let me copy this, right? And if I go to derivative, plugins, flex. I mean, we could try it. Paste. Oh no, I don't want to fucking break this. Hang on. Let me do this. How do we? I think that file just gets created on its own. It should work. Well, let's just try it. I don't understand why. Yeah, let me. Ooh, shit. Yeah, see, this is the old one, right? So as a matter of fact, let me just, for my own sanity. Yeah, it's still doing the old one. It's supposed to be. Change it to load the CUDA 10. I know, but just out of... Okay, that works. Wait. Only plugins from trusted sources should be loaded. Schlag. Give me your driver's license. Well, yeah, no, I compiled it, but I didn't look at it before I fucking compiled it. Yeah, nice try with that, though. So, this is legit running 10 right now? We should have changed the name of it, but whatever. We can do that, recompile it, fucking fuck with it. So actually, let me save all. Let me open and make sure this is like somewhat backwards compatible. Save to new project. No. Because it might actually just not work. It looked like it worked. Hey! Yeah, it worked. So. Alright, CUDA 10. He's working. How long did that take? Well, no, it's not, dude, this isn't even the long part. We just had to get it set up so that we could compile it. So what's new in CUDA 10? Oh, fucking Google it. Alright, let's do this. Looks like it kind of worked. Alright. Oh, right, it's just so dark. I think it's doing it. Oh, yeah. It's working. It's alive. Yeah, it works. It's just weird that you can just go from 8 to 10 like that with not that big of a deal. So now, well, that's cool, because now we have our, like, environment all fucking set up, right? Right, so every build I'm gonna do is just gonna be a release from here on out. Okay, so just to fucking start. First we need... What's the difference between a CPP and a .h, by the way? Just curious. Definitions, H are headers, declarations. H files are headers that the CPP files call. Oh, well, okay. Right. Let's add more params. Let's add the wind shit, because they have that in Flex Core, right? These external, no. These are them. Is this the one Vincent did? No, this is the Flex system. Right. Okay, so you have wind, right? XYZ. And these are the params for gravity, right? So we know he pulls gravity. Now let's just add wind and see what the fuck that does. So in here he has flex chop, right? Where's his? He's getting this params gravity. Right? So we can do this. If I'm not mistaken. Take his gravity and copy it and change the params to match the wind from the API doc. What the fuck? Wait, yeah. Okay, yeah, dude, I got it. Relax, I'm not fucking full retard. And then we have to do equals. I don't know. We just have to inputs get par double, double gravity 3. Okay, so how does this work? He's got... Right, so we'll just start putting these in real quick, even though I still have to add way more to get this to work. All right. Wind is the name of the parameter, yes. Wind 0 would be the field where you type your values in stores in a table with the index of 0. Wind is undefined there. I realize that. You know what's really going to suck? I'll tell you what's going to suck. Adding more parameters is going to break my tables, and I'm going to have to go and fucking add them into the tables, too. No, no double. That is something else. Really? Oh. Right. Yeah. Sorry. Not sure what wind is for. I don't know. Take a guess. What do you mean the double was right? Double is not required. You want something like that? Which is about what you have now. Why didn't you just type in Discord, dude? Oh, what you have no looks correct. What I have no looks correct. Yeah. Oh, now. Damn, bro, spelling. All right. So, hang on. Let me look at the flex chops some more. Where's this stupid? Where? How do you do a... Oh, for fuck's sakes, you idiot. Let's try to make sense of this. Like, I don't think we need anything more. Right? Because... Flex chop win.text. What? Add the following below flex HG gravities too. Alright, below gravity and setup parameters container. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. It's the fuck is it? That's what I was gonna do. I was looking for the stupid profile. Alright, gravity. Right. Does it matter where it goes? I guess not, right? It does? It matters where depends. Okay. No, I meant in the order where you're when you're doing this setup parameters, I meant. Because max particles and iterations and all these number of steps, FPS, this is all probably not. I don't think it matters. Okay, so alright, fucking built it. Let's just fucking throw it in and what? No, it's not. Oh, yeah, you're right. I see what you're saying. Rip. Well, that might not matter. Is this thing like white space? Is it cool with that? I like this. It shows you where your edits were. That's fucking smart. Little heat map. Oh, for fuck's sakes. I'm having to do this every fucking time now. Where did it go? It's probably gonna break, but what can you do? No, it's gonna break because it's listen. No, trust me, it's gonna break. I guarantee you, it'll break my project because I'm. I know, but it's now I'm listing different parameters and tables and presets and all that other shit I wired up. I spent fucking 8 hours doing today, but that's okay. At least I know how to do it. Man, it takes a long time to load TD. I did save it, but now I've just overwritten the fucking DLL. So, just for fucking humor's sake, let's see if that parameter's in there now. Nope. No wind. Nice. And are we sure it's loading the correct DLL? Well, there's one way to fucking do it. Let's rename the... Let's go here. Where do you define the actual name of the fucking thing? Return new. This. Is this where it gets defined? Or is that the class? You know, like the name in the list or whatever, because then we'll know. But then I have to go and change it for everything. Well, you can name it whatever you want, but it has to, this is just whatever. This is for the chop, right? This is from derivative, right? Well, we're not gonna... Where this gets defined in flex fluid chop. No, that's not right. This is... Yeah, so... That's their base. And then this is the... This is where we change it, right? Oh, wait, what? What? I'm not there yet. I'm trying to make this a unique DLL so that we can no, I mean rename the old one to .1. Well, no, I have the old one. The old one's just this, because I've been calling it CUDA 10, right? And been loading that one. Now I understand the purpose of a double. You added a double, right? Well, I did in here, right? Double win 3 input, double win 3, right? Win 1 2. Yeah. But we don't know if it's loading the right DLL, right? And then down here, I think it uses the name you put in the plugin config where you set the DLL. So you can't change its name from the code there. Oh, you mean like, oh, name. There you go. So let's just call this Flex 10 chop. Or Flex Top 10, right? And then we can be 100% sure. Really? That's just the project name? Well then why hang on, let me fucking clean this out and rebuild it. I think I'm mashing things together. There we go. So fucking let's copy this just to be sure. Go to documents, derivative, and you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna rip fucking this shit out. Or actually, here, I'll paste this. Right? FlexTop10.dll. Go here, edit. And then this will just do it every time. Yeah, see? It was using the old one. I think it was using the old one. There you go. Old.flexchop.dll has not been loaded on this machine. Whatever. Who cares? It's fucking old. Yeah, it has two. I know. I gotta fucking, I only changed one. Well, you don't change this plugins.json is made by the program. It's not. Fuck, why does this take so long? What is going on? Did I cancel it or something? Yeah, I think it's shitting. Why is it shitting the bed? Hang on. Let me delete my plugins and just put them in. Plugins here, right? If you take this out, and we go to Flex, right? And I'm gonna delete these. Custom. Nothing. Okay, good. So there. No custom plugin. It remade that file. Wait. No, it shouldn't have. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so remade the file with no plugins. Now we need to take just this, right? There you go. Where the fuck is it? Can you not rename it? Yeah, maybe it doesn't like it. But we only changed like 2 fucking stupid things. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Wind. Oh, that was interesting. Yeah, all right, but that's nice. While I appreciate that, why doesn't it show up in custom? And also, let's do this now. Could you delete the plugins file? No, I never deleted it. Yeah, no. I'm just weirded out that. Okay, let's do this. Let's slap this in here, right? Or not that. Let's just hit Control V for no fucking reason. Custom flex. No parameters. Isn't that weird? I know. Now look at right? It should be showing. Can we not name one Flex 10 and the old one Flex? I deleted the old one. The old one's gone. Don't worry about the fucking old one, man. Fuck the. It's done. It's gone. This probably wouldn't even have loaded right. This. There you go. Boom. This is the old one, right? Like, I'm not really worried about that. The old DLL is gone. Well, what I'm more interested in is just I could fucking get away with using the C++. Right? So let's just do this really quick. Let's add our variables in just to make sure this happens. Max speed profile, whatever. Okay, we need a bunch of shit. Planes chop. Volume boxes. Is that just volume boxes? Yeah. So our emitter collisions. Collision box is going to be coal boxes chop. Right? Lovely, ugly, but whatever. There you go. So that should be outputting like a motherfucker. Well, sort of. I still have a couple things I have to do, but yeah, 20 FPS, nice. Okay, we don't need this for now. Invalid path node for planes chop. Okay. Where is planes chop? Why is that not? What are you talking about? Volume box. Oh, collision planes. Oh, okay. Whoops. That should be this one. Right? Am I wrong? Oh, I'm not playing it. Right. This, that's fine. This is whatever. Or actually, planes, coal boxes, volume boxes. I'm so fucking burned out on this. Oh, there's no light. I'm like, of course. I'm like looking at nothing basically. Okay. There we go. Okay, so number of particles, let's do 10,000, right? Whatever. And then in my geo instancer, I'll just reset it. Happening over there. Yeah, what the fuck is going on here? This is a really bad one to do it with because I'm using a lot of holds and lags and shit. But we'll get there. Hang on. I don't think we need this. And let's go custom. Let's reset the fucking thing. There we go. How many? 10,000. So geo number of instances 10,000 minus 1. Right? Max speed. Right. There's 10,000 there. Let me just. Yeah, it's a bad example to be doing this with, but whatever. Yeah, why is this reset so gnarly? There's 10,000 particles there? Gotta be a radius problem. Yeah, it's a radius problem. Okay. So the radius should be like 0.4 for this to be somewhat normal, right? Max speed 100. Solver. There you go. Number of sub-steps 4. FPS 60. Max normal is part of damping. Right. It's the defaults that were written in. Okay, this makes sense. Okay, let's fucking go fucking fuck with some wind. It ain't actually doing shit. Are we missing a parameter? Maybe wind doesn't affect particle systems? Wind only works on dynamic triangles, which aren't defined. Okay, well, we have the parameter in at least. I would have hoped it worked on... Oh, you mean like... Oh dear. Should I try and fucking render this as a mesh? Is it... Wait, does it render it as a mesh by default? Just out of curiosity. Huh. Oh, because I never added it in. You need to make this call on an input to the CPP chop. I'll work it out unless someone beats you to it. Well, yeah. I mean, at least now we know we're fucking compiling the right fucking thing. Is it just me or is this running better? Let me do 100,000 particles. I don't know if the old one was built in debug. Well, it's running fucking slow as fuck now because I've got, like, I'm viewing all these fucking things. Yeah. Didn't even blink, really. What? Is that really 100? We try 200,000 particles. Yeah, no problem. Still runs it. Of course, my noise chop isn't hitting them all, but it's just because of my particle scale, but 200,000 particles, 400. Yeah, 400,000 particles. Just have to make a smaller radius. And then smaller geo, but yeah, about half a million particles. It kind of wigs out a bit. I guess it would. What's profile? I don't even know what that is. But honestly, I've never seen the demo even go over 130. Oh, is this where you're getting? Yeah, we need to. You know what? Echo. We got to make like an epic flex chop. Basically. Because they have so much fucking shit in here. So these are all the params we need, basically, right? If true, then particles of phase zero are considered fluid particles and interact using the position-based fluids method. See? Like this, I don't think he's using. time in seconds that a diffused particle will live after being spawned. Particles will be spawned with a random lifetime in the range 0 diffused lifetime. Oh, rip. Yeah, it starts to freak out after like 500,000 particles, but whatever. Let's see if we can find another param that's like gonna. So we have particles, fluid. I wonder if like, let's do fluid, true or false. Lift force applied to particles belonging to two dynamic triangles. If true, then particles with phase 0 are considered fluid particles and interact using the position-based fluids method. And it's a Boolean. Most of these artificially decrease the mass of particles based on height from a fixed reference points. This makes stacks and piles converge faster. Particle friction. This one we need 100%. Where do we put these extra parameters? Well, I guess they just go wherever, right? Yeah, param, stamping, dynamic, restitution, adhesion, dissipation, cohesion, surface tensor viscosity, or blah, blah, blah. Okay, so here... After this, let's get, where's our flex system? Particles. Sim params. Static friction, scale friction between particles by default. Drag, lift, fluid. Okay, let's do particle friction. Head static friction. I think we can nail both these out at the same time. And we'll put it under dynamic friction. Doop-a-deep-a-doop. After somewhere in here, right? I should have saved that. Flex sys G params. And fraction equals inputs. Get par double. Okay. Static friction. And particle friction. Is as stupid ass fuck question, is C++ cool with white space? I guess so, eh? It just compiles it and just deletes it on the compile, right? Yeah. Alright. Alright. Now we have to go win in the solver, right? Number of iteration, max particles, params, damping, dynamic freshener, adhesion, dissipation, cohesion, surface tension, viscosity, vorticity, confinement. I guess I'll put it after this, right? We already put wind in there. Just fucking chilling in there somewhere. Where is it? Yeah, there. So it's like here, right? So we'll copy this. We have to add 2 of these, right? So this one's gonna be static friction and particle friction. MP values, default value 0. What is the default value on that? It's just 0, right? Let's make it fucking 0. Parts params. Okay. That's it. I think, right? Make sure it's static friction in the top one. It is. And then particle friction. Let's see what this one does. Okay, so there's our build. I'm gonna go into here and just override it, I guess. Oh. It's just weird it doesn't show up in the stupid fucking thing, but whatever. I'll use the template instead of using the weird dark ones, then we don't have to change a million things just to fucking test it, right? Because the template, I'm using like a whole bunch of different fucking stupid things in it. That'll work good. Let's just call this Flex CUDA 10 test. Yeah, because here I have all the things already set up in there. We'll just get rid of that. Okay, so that's weird that it just still doesn't do that, but use C++. Plugin path, yeah. Now I don't have to do this every time, I just have to do this once. Documents. Derivative, plugins, flex. Boom. Right? So now I should have new solvers, right? Static friction, particle friction. There we go. Okay, so let's shit. How do we do this again? Just go find the names of these real quick. Rectimate.